one thing. You are following the rules which I have said. Yes, for the coronavirus, you have to follow the SMS and you have to wash your hands. You have to eat healthy food. You listen to your parents. Okay, children, whatever we are teaching, try to understand, try to follow it. In the last class, one bit was left, children. That is page number 206. Open the page. First, you take your EVS term book. To take term book, page number 206. Take your pencil, eraser. In the last section, we left one bit. Today we are going to complete this bit, children. After that, we are going to start the new lesson. Okay? Take your semester 1. Open page number 206. Page number 206. Page number 206. Take your pencil, take your eraser. Look at the given picture. How are these children helping their families? See this picture. How they are helping their families? See here. He is helping his father to dash the car. What they are doing? See, father is cleaning the car now. This boy is also helping him. See the picture. He is helping his father to dash the car. What should come? Dash the car. What they are doing? See, some bucket is there, water is there. What they are doing for car? They are cleaning. Right? The dash cleaning. The boy is helping his father to cleaning the car. C-L-E-A-N, clean. See the second one. He is helping his mother to dye the vegetables. What she is doing? See in the kitchen. She is washing, no? Cleaning the car. Second one. See, this boy is helping his mother. She is cleaning the vegetables. Washing the vegetables. Washing. W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Third one, see. She is helping her grandmother by carrying her dash. Something she is carrying, this girl, see in the picture. She is carrying her grandmother's bags, no? Carrying. She is helping her grandmother by carrying her bags. B-A-G-S, bags. Even you should help your elders, no children? You should help your family members, you should help your mother, father, grandparents, especially grandparents. You have to help them. They are unable to walk, they are unable to go, no? You should help them, children. Now, we will start the new lesson, children. I think you all copied this. Shall I have the board? Come on, today we are going to start the new lesson. Lesson number 3. Lesson number 3. My house. My house. Where do you live, children? Where do you live? We all will live in our houses, no? With whom you live? You will live with your parents, with your family members. Yes? See, this is the picture of the house. Look at the picture. Open your term book. See, houses. See, this is the house. Did you see the picture of house? Which house it is? We all will live in the house, no? Now tell me how many kinds of houses are there? All of us live in a house. Houses. We live in our houses with our family members. It protects us from heat, rain, cold, wild animals and the thieves. It also keeps us safe. A house may be big or small. It may have 1 or 2 rooms, bathroom and kitchen. See, in the houses, why do we live in the house? To protect ourselves. When it rains, you will go into your house. When it is hot, you will be in the house. You will not come out of the house. When it rains, in the night, why we lock the door? Yes, why thieves should not enter our house and wild animals should not come into our house. That's why we lock the door and sleep in the night. Did you see your parents will lock the door while sleeping? House protect us from heat. When it is very hot, you don't want to go out of the house. Why? Out it will be very hot. You want to stay in the house. Okay? Rain. If you go out, the rain, what will happen? You don't want to go out because it's raining. It's protect us from the rain. Okay? Wild animals, cold. In the summer season, you will wear sweaters and you will be in the house. When you come out of the house, fully you will cover your body and come. Why? Because it is very cold. Okay, children, wild animals. Wild animals with snakes. If you keep the door open in the night, some dogs may come inside. Animals with like snakes. Any animals can come inside. And thieves. Thieves, what they will do? They'll come and take our gold, money. They'll kill us. They'll go off. That's why we need a house to protect ourselves. Okay? Houses may be small or big. See, few children are living in a small house. They may have only one room, kitchen, bathroom. Bathroom is compulsory for children. Few members will live in a big house. With 2 bedrooms, hall, kitchen, dining room, drawing room, like that. Okay? House may be small or big. Bathroom and kitchen is compulsory for children. In few houses, in the room only they will adjust one like kitchen and they need one bathroom. Bathroom is compulsory. Yes? Types of houses. See the types of houses. Some houses are made of bricks, cement and wood. Which houses? Did you see in our area some constructions are going on to children? What material they are using? Did you observe any time? They will bring sand, they will bring cement, bricks, wood. They will use these things, no? In which houses they will use? We are going to learn about 2 types of houses. Kacha house and Pakka house. See, houses may be Kacha house, Pakka house, or Kacha house. Pakka houses and Kacha houses. Pakka house is made of bricks. See, they need bricks. Bricks, cement, wood. This Kacha house is made of mud. It is made up of mud, straw. See, this is a Pakka house, this is a Kacha house. Pakka house is a strong house. Kacha house will not be so strong. Okay, children. For constructing Pakka house, we need cement. See here. We need bricks, cement, wood. Did you see the bricks? Yes, right. Bricks will be in the square, rectangle shape. Cement bags will be there. They will use wood also. Yes, this house is made up of bricks, cement and wood. That house is called a Pakka house. See our building? It is a Pakka house. It is called a building, no? Did you see apartments surrounding our area? Many apartments are there, many buildings are there, many bungalows are there. Okay? Where you will find these Kacha houses? We will find in the villages. Mostly in the villages they will live in a Kacha houses. That Kacha house is made up of mud and straw. They will use mud to construct that house and they will use the straw to build that house. Okay? Which is the strongest house? Pakka house will be very strong. Okay? They will use cement. Did you see cement? If you use cement, how hard it will become? Mix water in the cement and keep it for 5 minutes. It will become so hard. Yes, that material is used for making the Pakka house. Okay? Do you understood, children? I will ask the question. Pakka house made up of bricks, cement and wood. Kacha house made up of mud and straw. Okay? Houses may be small or big, children. It will be small or big. Types of houses. See, types of houses. Some houses are made up of bricks, cement and wood. They are called Pakka houses. For example, bungalows and apartments. Did you see the apartments, children? Did you all see the apartments? Apartments will be 5 floor, 5 floor it will be. Big apartments will be there. Okay, many families live in an apartment. Okay, children? Apartments, bungalows. For the example, bungalows means our building is a bungalow, no? Big bungalow. So many houses are there? See our roof. This is made up of cement and wood, iron. The houses that are made of mud and straw are called the kacha house. For example, hut. See, for example, hut. How will be the hut, children? See, this is the hut. Did you see huts in the villages? See, it will be like this. They will use mud for making this. Here they will use all the straws. They will use like this. Where will you find these huts? Where you will find these huts? In the villages. Mostly in the villages, we will find the huts. They will stay in the huts because they will make the huts with the mud. See, mud is used and straw will use for the making the huts. For apartments, we need the material now. What material they use? They use cement, bricks, and what? Wood, iron they will use. See, children, this is a bungalow. See, this is the apartment. This is a hut. Open the page number 208 and see. Put finger and see. This is a bungalow. This is the apartment. This is a hut. Okay, children. Our house also has doors and windows. Sunlight and fresh air comes into our house through the windows. See, children, why doors and windows are necessary? If you open the window, we'll get the fresh air from the window, and we'll get the fresh air from the window. We'll get the sunlight also from the windows. Okay, children. That's why we need the window. Our house also has walls and roof. Some houses have sloping roof, while others have a flat roof. See, sloping roof means how, children? Sloping. Sloping roof means this is a house. The roof will be like sloping. Sloping. When it rains snow, the water will flow from the roof easily. Flat roof. See, this is the flat roof. See, it will be like this. From here they put some hole here. From here rain water will go like this. Sloping roof means directly immediately it will slip off from the house roof. Okay, children. Our house also has walls and roof. Some houses have sloping roof while others have flat roofs. You understood now? Sloping roof means the roof will be sloping. The rain water will go off. In flat roof, it will be stopped. It will stop. It will take time to go into flow. House with the flat roof. See, house with the flat roof. House with a sloping roof. See, the sloping roof is like this. Flat roof is like this. Okay, children. Parts of a house. See, parts of a house. What are rooms we need in the house? We require, no, children? Bedroom for sleeping, kitchen room for cooking, bathroom for taking bath. Yes, living room. When your guest will come to your house, where they will sit, you will arrange one room. In that room, you will put some sofa, TV. They will sit in that room and they will talk. Yes, children. Bedroom. In the bedroom, what you will keep? You will keep bed. Bed lamp will be there. You will sleep in that room. Yes, we are going to learn about the parts of the house. Part of houses. See, a house has different parts. These are living room. See, living room, parts of the house. Parts of a house. Parts of a house. We need living room. Living room. See, kitchen room. Dining room. Dining room, bedroom. Bedroom. Bedroom and bathroom. We'll have these rooms in the house. Living room is what, children? What do we keep in the living room? See, this is the living room. See, this is the living room. In the living room, we'll keep sofas, TV. See, some furniture will be there. Why will you use? When guests will come to your house, you will make them sit on the sofas. You will have TV there, no? Yes? Who will visit here? when they visit us, we may also read books, watch TV, and play games in this room. See, when your guest means who? Some relatives come to your house, they will sit in the house, they will come and sit in the living room. What furniture will be there? You will keep some sofas, TV will be there, some books will be there, newspaper will be there. When they will sit in the living room, they always watch TV, they will watch TV. Otherwise, they will read some books. Newspaper will be there. If they want to read the newspaper, they will read the newspaper. But if you want to play some games, indoor games, you can play the games in the room. Okay, children? We keep things such as sofa, bookshelf, and chairs in this room. We keep sofas, bookshelf, and chairs in this room to sit there. Kitchen. What is the use of kitchen, children? You all have kitchen in your house. Why you will use kitchen? To cook food. Your mother will go into the kitchen and she will cook the food in the house. Yes? Kitchen, she will cook food. She will cook food. She will cook the food in the kitchen room. What things will keep in the kitchen? See? Kitchen. Kitchen is a room where we cook our meals. Meals means what? Whatever you are eating from morning to evening, they will prepare in the kitchen only. Those are called meals. We find the sink, gas stove, and some vessels you will find there. Sink means what, children? Your mother will wash vessels in the kitchen. She will wash the vessels in the kitchen. See, this is the kitchen. See, this is the kitchen. See, in the shelf, all things we need. What we require is there. Gas stove is there. Fridge is there. Cooker is there. See, all the things will be in the kitchen only. We store food items in the kitchen. Whatever rice bags, whatever your father is bringing for monthly, we'll keep in the kitchen or bedroom. We'll keep in the kitchen room like storeroom. Okay, children, dining room. This is the room in which we eat our meals. We have dining table and chairs to sit on it and eat our food in this room. See, dining room. See, you are having some table. One table is there. Chairs are there. On the table, what is there? See, you will sit here and you will eat your lunch, breakfast. Whatever you are eating, you will eat in the dining room. Okay? Bedroom. What do you do in the bedroom? Bedroom is a room where we sit and sleep. We have a bed and night lamp, table and cupboard for keeping our clothes in the bedroom. In the bedroom, what do you have? You will have cupboard. Cupboard is almara. You will keep your clothes there in the almara, and you are having bed and you are having bed lamp. You will on in the night. You will on the bed lamp and you will sleep. No? It will be in this room. Bathroom. The bathroom is the room where we take bath and brush our teeth. We keep things such as soap, bucket, mug and towel. Here, we should keep our bathroom clean and dry. Always you should keep your bathroom clean. What are the things we keep in the bathroom? We keep mug, bucket, soap, towel. We will keep in the bathroom. It should be clean and neat. See, children, page number, homework. See, page number 2. Page number 211. Picture study. Picture study. Okay, children. This is your homework. You see this picture. Which type of house it is? What you will call for this? What material you will use to construct this house? You have to write here. Okay, children. I hope you all understood, children. Okay, children. We will meet in the next section. Thank you.